Right, since there's so much commotion about my test panel and me not showing anything, here's my test panel a few days later after application. DIY Envie on this side, Tech 580, Tech 582 on this side. I used the middle line of the sensor down to the Mercedes emblem as my middle mark. So Envie 582. Now, for this one, this I did two sprays, nothing into the mint. Nothing into the new microfiber tile, just two sprays on the panel, microfiber straight into the liquid and wiped in. Flipped my tile over, wiped off. Applied the same techniques to both sides of the panel, and it came out beautiful. Both sides enhanced the paint. It looks good. So like I said, this is a few days later. I'm import the clip of me actually doing the two sprays, the actual installation. Shake our product up. One, two. We're gonna apply. All right. There we go. Switch towels. Technician choice. Got her primed up. She's ready. One, two. Fresh towel. But you can see a few days later, after curing, sitting outside, we're not in direct sun, but we're in sun. You can see there's no difference in gloss, depth, shine, anything. It's literally the same exact look. So that's what I was stating in my video. I wasn't trying to down Envie of anything. I was simply saying that that product versus a product that I thought lined up similar, which is Tech 582, is it's significantly cheaper. That's it. That's my whole point. It's both of them are great products. Envie has a slight advantage in durability. That's it. But you can get Tech 582 for significantly cheaper, $30 a gallon. Envie, $100 a gallon. You can actually dilute Tech 582 1-to-1, make it 2 gallons. So now so now your cost is down to essentially $15 a gallon because you didn't stretch it. In the detailing world, where we actually get paid to do this, you look for stuff that has dilution abilities because you can make your product last longer, and then your cost as a company are even smaller. So that's my stance on it. Now, as an enthusiast, you know, like I said, if you just want to buy it, you got $100 to blow for a ceramic detail spray for a gallon, more power to you. Like I said, it's a great product. I'm not downing it. I'm just simply saying that there's other things out here that you can get for significantly cheaper. That's it. That do the same exact thing. So anyways, here's a quick dirty video. I'm gonna go and